Didn't get projects until this 2.7 years.
Oh,
Just I was
you are on
worked
the
as a
bench. Okay.
yeah,
So did you try to learn anything earlier?
yeah, Java full stack I have learned, but
Hmm.
I'm not getting clearing interviews and other things.
Okay, guys. So not sure about if others people are joining or not because I cannot wait much. Your time is also precious and my time is also precious. So I'll just give the introduction of myself. So I'm working as a automation architect in one of the MNC company. I having around 11 year of experience and last means more than 7 years about my teaching experience. So teaching is my passion. More than like 7 years I working side or you can say the part-time job as a teacher. I trained many people who is from manual tester or the people having the gap career gap or if you are a beginner also. So many of them are beginner who never learn software testing or automation testing, okay, or you have a career gap, okay. So see, end of the day, company is looking for how you are good in the skill, okay. If you have a skills, if you are good in the skill, and definitely company will find you. You have to wait for the opportunity and the right time, okay. But if you are not good in the skill, now these days it's a very difficult to crack the interview and survive in the industry, okay. So your full focus on forget about of your career gap, forget about what you have currently. You have to focus how to become the master on the subject you are learning, okay. Because we have a 20 requirement. For 20 requirement, if you will go in the LinkedIn job portal and all, right? Everyone is applying, right? For 20 requirement, 1000 you know candidates are there. Then why the company will hire you? This is the question you have to ask yourself. Understood, right? What is the different from others? Got it right? Then only you can fight with your competitor when you will when you are deploying your project, right? How you can save your position. Understood, right? Because the company is looking for a smart resources, a smart work. Hard work is fine, but nowadays that the company is looking for a smart work. Okay, hard work will do now, but in the company you have to do a smart work. Then a smart work will come with your basics knowledge. If your basics is good, uh, in the interview, right? Even sometimes they will not allow you to write the code on the Eclipse. Okay, they will ask you to write the code on the notepad. Now you have to do hard work to type all the code, execute, understand everything from a scratch. Once you will crack your interview, we are not going to type the code line by line in real time because we don't have a time and they will not give you the time. Earlier, generative AI is not there. Many codes are available in the Google, so we are just modifying the code as per our own requirement. Now these days, tester job will become easy. The people who is just are struggling to write the code from the scratch, code development of the framework, right? So this thing will become easy for us because of generative AI. But generative AI, and when you will sit in the interview, company will not allow you to even use the editor. Understood, right? So now forget about of AI, forget about of everything. You have to learn and you have to type the code, you know, step by step. You have a clarity what you are writing. See, we have a two types of the coding. Okay, one guy has just they have written the code. If I ask, can you explain the code flow? They will not able to. Second, people have write the code. I ask the logic, they have write the code and 20 line. Okay. But next people, a smart worker, a smart coder, they have written the less code, more readable and reusable. So this is your third position, you know, will reach, when you will do lot of practice. Understood, right? Then you are the filter candidate to qualify your interview, and you are able to survive in the project for the long time. Okay, so nothing is static. You have to continuously upgrade your skill set. If company will ask you, oh, you know the core Java and Selenium, can you start to work on the playwright JavaScript Python? You can't say no. Okay, you have a basics strong. It won't be take much time. I am the Java resources, means Selenium Java resources. I work with Python. I work with JavaScript. All means any things will come for the automation. I can do it. Okay, even I don't know uh, new language, but I can say I can do it because the what I have worked previously. First, guys, focus on one skills, become a master, work on the real time project. If you want, we get the opportunity to work on the same tech and company is giving the opportunity to learn and apply. Don't say no. You are able to do it. Understood, right? Second thing, the beginners. Because what happened? This is repeated previously. Okay, if you are a beginner, you tried something, you are not able to understand, you leave it, then you will never do it. Same thing happened with the company, right? Company will not give you the same task. You are not there in the long term in the one project. Now we have a short project. You can't say no, I cannot do it. Then company will say, okay, tata, bye bye. Okay, I don't require this thing happen in my project also. Okay, so you can't say to company, I cannot do it. Now these days we can do we can implement any requirement. But the thing is, learn the subject in the depth, practice lot. 2 months is very crucial for you. The people who join in the initially, if you are learning first time and definitely will not understand 100%. If you have a basics knowledge, you try to learn and you are able to understand. The beginners, just you have a consistency and patience, then only you can learn programming and automation. Understood, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first thing, guys, you are joining my course. My job is I worked 8 hours, 12 hours sometime, and I take the classes. This is my responsibility, how I can teach you, how can I guide you, what the help is required after completing the course also, what is the problem you are not getting the job. I have a solution. The thing is, if I teach you what is object oriented programming language, you have a clarity. Okay, you are able to explain, you are able to relate with the real time where we can implement this. Understood, right? So the thing is, guys, suppose I am staying in Hyderabad. Okay, I'm in Hyderabad. I want to go some of the places I never went over there. Okay, earlier. In the first time, I don't know how to go there. Okay, so I can take the help from the Google. Sometimes Google is not giving the exact location. I reached over there, but I don't know where I have to go. I'm just finding it's a near, but I'm not able to find that place. So I have to ask the people. Suppose I joined the new company and this is the new location for me. So first time I will go by bike, sorry, Google Map and ask the people. Daily I have to go in the same place. Then after few days, I do not ask to anyone. I do not, start my Google Map also. I can go directly because daily this activity means daily I'm going in the same path, the same thing. If you will spend 1 hour daily, okay, block your time, spend 1 hour. Today is the weekend, I wake up 5 o'clock. I have a good salary of amount. Why? Because I know IT sector is if your job is completed, they will throw out. Understood, right? what is next, how I can save my future job. Understood, right? So first thing guys, consistency. If you are attending my session, if you will not work, you will not get the result 100%. Same thing happened in my previous session, many session. One people have a multiple offer letter, and one people are struggling, they are not able to speak in the mock interview. What I can do, Monday to Friday block your time 1 hours, whatever your convenient time, then only this session will work. Okay, consistency and your patience, two things. After 1 month you can see the changes yourself. Whatever the things you are not able to understand, even single dot also you can ask many time. Okay, you can ask many time, I will explain you. Understood, right? And if you will join my session, if not, doesn't matter, but what I am teaching you in this session, right? If you have any doubt, okay, please ask me. Okay, understood, right? So this
Yes.
is about, without practice, if you can't get anything, you will get a better best content and recording bit. I'll show you the syllabus as well. Okay, so I will take your question guys, the people who is from the different background, career gap, I will take the question personally. The people having the long gap, okay, you want to get job as a fresher, you have to go as a experience. That guidance I will do when you are good in the subject. You said I have a 3 to 5 year of experience in automation. I ask you, can you write a interface code with the example of Selenium? You are not able to write it. Can what the code development you have done in your framework? You are not able to do it. What is your roles and responsibility as a automation test engineer in your current project? You are not able to say. I'm not asking any technical thing. This is the question. The people who are already working, they will teach you only. Another question, what I can say, okay, I'm assigning one automation task. How you can define your user story point. User story point means how much time it will take. Understood, right? You are not able to estimate. You will say, oh, I will take 5 user story means 5 days, but this task can complete within 1 and 2 days. Then they will understand these guys are taking 5 days. Then escalation will come. Understood, right? So when you will practice, then you know how much time it will take. And I told you, right? You have to deliver quality of the code. Not only you have written the code and you can just, the people who is sitting there, they will review your code. If you did some mistakes I am also doing. Okay, but if you will do some blunder mistake, then they will understand this guy did not work in the real time. Those all the things you will learn. Okay, for reaching over there, first of all you have to learn the basics. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, the people who is not from software testing background, there is no dependency between manual and automation. Yes, software testing profile is a process. That process you have to learn. That I will guide you. Okay, I have my YouTube channel. I have uploaded around 28 video for manual testing. That is not big deal. You can understand the process, types of the testing, agile methodology. It won't be take much time. The main thing you have to learn programming. Then those programming how to apply in automation testing. We'll learn it. Okay. So guys, this course is for automation testing. Okay. The in and this is for the language you are going to learn core Java. Okay, so this is the high level I have mentioned the syllabus. Many of them I have discussed and they have say I'm beginner, I don't know anything. So I told you, right, just what you have to do, you have to just consistent attend all my session, and you can come after completing the course, just attend my mock interview. Your 70% job is already done. 30% you are waiting for that opportunity, and real time 70% question is already repeated, only 30% new question will come. But if you are not attending guys live classes, even I'm sending the recording, the people are not watching the recording who is missing the session, then I can't do anything. Okay, consistency is very important. Many people, I think it's a long, I think last means 2 year ago, one lady was there. I always give that example. She is a manual tester and she took maternity leave like 6 months. And after 1 month she joined, job. She was working in the Bipro as a manual tester, and she joined my session. And this is the regular classes is the evening. I will tell you everything. But that class is on the morning 8 a.m. Before 5 minutes, she was waiting for the class. We have around 10 to 15 or 20 people there in the batch. In the last session, she was there only. And after a few months, she got the opportunity to work in Bipro internal project as a automation test engineer. She worked 6 months, and after that, she switched in the company and she got the product based company with 150% hike. Then I asked her, okay, what you have done? Just she said, I continuously, uh, I, uh, 1 second, guys. I attended your session and what you have told me, I was doing the same. She got, okay. So I'll just go through the syllabus once. So we have a core Java, so it will take around guys 30 days. And why it will take, if you will go for any Udemy tutor or any online classes, nobody will focus on the programming language. They will focus on the Selenium. Selenium, that is fine guys, but if you will go in the interview, right, 60 to 60, if anyone attended the interview or not, 70% question they will ask you from the core Java. That is the programming. Okay, if you are not good in, you are rejected here only. They will you will not get the chance to work on this Selenium uh, or Cucumber and anything, because these all the libraries are developed on the Java. Okay, then Selenium it will take 30 days, Cucumber framework 5 days. It will take less also, but I consider 5 days. So guys, in this session I am covering basics API testing. I will come on this. Okay, so if you want to learn rest assured in the depth, okay, so we have a separate batch. Okay, I will come on this. But if you are a beginner, I will not recommend you to go for rest assured in the depth now. This is the base. If you know this, other things will become very easy, and your 1 month is very crucial for you. When you will build your programming concept, then only you are able to writing the code. I told you right, only you can write the code, that will not work in the interview. How to explain, how to write reusable code, that is important. Basics API testing. So here I'm teaching you the basics API testing, but rest assured is also important part. Okay, I will explain you, but here we are covering basics. Then you have to knowledge of Git and Jenkins also, how to manage your repo and CI/CD. Real time project means framework development. Okay, so we have a two thing. One thing is your framework and one thing is your domain knowledge. The people who is not from the manual testing background, I will give you some project in your resume what you have to mention. But real time project, we have a two part. One is your framework and one is your application. That is we'll discuss. If you don't know how to prepare the resume as an experienced candidate and whatever, we will review your profile according to, we'll prepare your uh, resume, and we have a mock interview. Okay, after completing you can give your mock interview. So here we have a filter what the mistakes you are doing, and after that you can directly go and attend your interview. The placement support, who can attend this session? Fresher, career gap, manual tester, or non-tech background. Okay, so anyone can, the people who is belongs to this, you can attend this. let me show you what the activity I am doing for. I am spending daily half an hour finding the jobs. Okay, so you guys can see here I am posting this job. Okay, so you guys can see, so here daily post you will see. Okay, this is the one thing, collecting the requirement. If I'm working in Virtusa guys, so if any requirement is there, I directly refer you. Okay, so how I can push you, this is my effort. Apart from that, you will get the calls from Naukri and LinkedIn, and I have also some WhatsApp group. There are people who is working. Okay, so they are also connected with me. So you can see I am posting a daily jobs. Okay, so I'll go for the post. I'm in the post only. So you can see the people say we don't have a requirement. Have a requirement. You don't have a skills. That's why your resume is not getting selected. Understood, right? And we have a WhatsApp group. So what help I can do to get the interview calls and schedule your interview calls, we will do it. After completing the course, if you are really practice, I can say honestly, then you have a knowledge like 3 to 5 year. The people who is working as a automation testing. Here it depend upon the practice. If I just automate one test cases and you have done practice of 20 test cases, that will increase your experience. I automate only one test cases, you have just done one test practice, then this will create a problem. You know the concept, that is fine, but practice will make you get the experience candidate, right? Daily jobs, what we are doing, daily jobs, the we are automating and working on the framework and all. You are doing same thing with the practice. That level will come only. And also you will get guys class notes and recording if someone will miss these classes. Okay, so this is the high level syllabus. If I will go for complete syllabus, so I have created this day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay, I will not read all the topic. Okay, I will share this syllabus to you guys. So this is your core Java topic. Okay, installation part of the core Java. Then what is system.out.println main method. So these are the very basics thing. But people, if I ask this question, if you already know the Java, you will stuck. Why you will stuck? I will explain you. If you will learn this basics, right? These are the basics of Java. Variable methods, coding a standard, then a static and non-static. Then you are able to understand object-oriented programming language. We have a two part of the Java. One is your basics of the Java. One, then you are going to understand the implementation level of the concept like object-oriented programming language. What is encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance. These are the core topic. Okay, then the most important topic in the Java is collection. Okay, so the collection and up concept is the heart of Java implementation. But before that, you have to understand this basics. The people are missing this basics. Okay, then I will explain you the coding practice how to do. We have a some until you will not become until you don't have a basics of the Java, then you cannot write the code yourself because you have a confusion where I can start, where it will end. You don't know when you will start the class block that will build. Then exception handling, then we have a string handling, and it will also have a many things inside this string. I did not mention all the topic. You can consider 30 days class for core Java. Then Selenium, this is your Selenium topics. So installation of Selenium, then basics of Selenium, how to write the XPath yourself, dynamic XPath, then what practice we are doing guys here. If you are a beginner, and definitely this is not able to understand if you already learn. Suppose I have written one code. Suppose I have to validate the title of the code, title of the page. So you have a you have 100 test cases, and every pages you have to validate title of the page. So if you will write 500 test cases, right? And same line you are writing, suppose for doing the title validation, I have to write around 3 line of the code. And this 3 line of the code, again you are writing the same code in all 100 test cases. Your code will be become, your code is duplicate code. That is not acceptable in core development. Okay. So every topic you can see I have added one more thing, how to create a reusable method. Reusable means just I have implemented get title logic. I can reuse this code in all 100 test cases. If you will find any tutor, nobody will teach you this, because I know the pain of the people who joined as experienced candidate. They have just practice or learn, you know, 100 programming means interview question and answer. They got selected unfortunately or fortunately. Then when assigned the work to them, he is not able to do it. Understood, right? So that thing should not happen, because if you are experienced candidate, company will accept to deliver the task on the time. So these are the Selenium topic. Okay, I will also share this all the syllabus, no worries. So the Selenium, it will take around, also you can consider 30 days. Okay, might be 10 and 15 days is, and this is the framework of Selenium. And yeah, so and one more thing, and we have a basics API testing. So in this course for Java Selenium, we are adding the basics API testing. So I will just give you the introduction of API, how to install the Postman, these all the important method of HTTP, and basics 1 and 3, 2 and 3 days classes for rest assured. So till this syllabus, as I already discussed you, the course fees we have a 10,000, but we have a festival discounts, so you have to pay only 5,000, and this is for one installment, guys. Okay, I I will give you the guarantee. Go for any institute, the people who are teaching the live classes, working professional, they are charging, and you can compare my syllabus. You can compare 20,000 to 25,000. See, check any institute. Okay, if they will teach you the amount what I am saying you, but their syllabus is not like this. They will complete within 1 month, 1 week. They never teach Java, this depth knowledge. And here many of them, coming, they said I paid 25,000, I'm not able to crack the interview. Then I ask only basic question, he is not able to give the answer. Understood, right? So guys, the people who wants to learn the rest assured, so we have a separate batch. Okay, so you can see it will take around 45 days. You can consider. I will recommend you, definitely you have to learn this rest assured after this completing this course. But this is the having the separate batch. So after discount for rest assured, the fee is only 5,000. Again, I am repeating the same thing. Nobody will teach you what I am going to teach you, because I consider your profile as an experienced candidate, not a fresher. The fresher, who is fresher? Okay, it's a very difficult, guys, to get the interview calls. But a startup company is looking for, you know, less budget, more work. So here you can play. Understood, right? You are a fresher, your experience is like a, sorry, your knowledge is like the experience. Then you can target the startup company. Then a startup company is looking, okay, I have a less budget, I am looking for the candidate, they can work nicely. Here you can target. Once your fresher tag will removed, then you will play whatever the salary you are getting less, then after you can switch, definitely will get the decent salary. So till now, anyone having any doubt, forget about of this rest assured. After Java Selenium batch, rest assured I will start, that is for the new batch. If you want, you can continue as your wish. But my recommendation is Java, Selenium, and rest assured, if you have a knowledge, mostly companies are looking for. If you will go in the job description, if you will get the chance, I will. If you will get the chance, you can just go for this website and check the description what they are asking. Okay, understood, right? So till now, do you have any doubt, anyone, regarding syllabus? Anyone having any doubt? Hmm?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, sir. Hi, team. So only this much is required to get a job, correct?
Yes, yes. What is your current profile?
Yes. Actually, I'm a senior data engineer. So I
Okay.
completely backend developer.
Mm-hmm.
So with completely SQL and MSBA technologies.
Okay.
So actually, I was planning to move into on like testing. So that
Yeah, yeah, that much is enough. Okay. But rest assured, after completing this course, you can join the rest assured. Okay, so automation testing, I mean API testing also required in the depth, but whatever the basics, still basics API, you can start your interview, and side by side you can learn the rest assured, because it will take more time, 30 days more time or 45 days. We cannot wait for till complete this, but before, after 2 months, after completing this all, you can start your interview, you will get the opportunity. Okay, apart from
okay.
that, you have to learn some basics of software testing concept. That guidance I will give you, that is not big deal, means manual testing. Okay, but this is the
Okay.
important, this is the core part of interviews. The companies are looking how you are good in this all the subject. Okay,
What about the course fees? So that I think-
the course space I told you, right? So for
no,
this,
that
right?
that
Mhm.
yes, sir.
Without this rest assured, course fee is only 5,000 one installment. Okay, understood, right? Basically, the
Yes,
course
sir.
fee is for full stack automation testing, be charging 25,000. But if you will go for without rest assured, now course fee is 5,000, and with we will go for the this rest assured, then 5 plus 5 10,000. Okay, as your wish, how you want to start. Understood, right?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, will it okay to crack the interview or understand the code Java concept within 30 days?
Why?
I mean, will it enough?
Yeah, yeah, enough. No,
I just, because I don't know anything.
no, no, don't worry,
Sir.
don't worry, don't worry, Dheeraj. First, focus on the core Java. Okay, and
Okay.
understood, right? What I syllabus I mention in the core Java, that is enough for automation test engineer. Okay, if you want to learn core Java, we have a many things, but we are not going as a development, right? Understood, right? Got it, right? In the
Understand.
development, we have a many things. We can't learn. It will take 6 months to learn the core Java. Understood, right? But these are the base. These are the base of core Java. Okay. So guys, I'll just revise the things for this automation testing. Uh, what I have mentioned, the course fee is only
Hello.
5,000. 5,000.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead. After
What
discuss.
is what is the placement ratio of previous year, previous batch?
Sorry.
What is the placement ratio previous
Play,
batch ka?
plate placement ratio depend upon how the people are doing the practice. Okay.
No, if people are doing practice 100%, then it will means 100%ly they will place or not.
Why you will not place? What is your current profile?
No. Is there that much vacancy are there in the market?
Bro, that is what I have shown you, right? See, go there. Okay, go there. That is what I am showing you now.
Mhm.
Huh? I
Is
have
there
post.
is there referral vacancy or
This is
on
not. This is not a referral. This is the. You can see we have a today walk-in only in the TCS. Okay. See this
okay.
title. See this. Okay, they have
Mhm.
mentioned 5 year of experience. Okay, but if you have a 3 also, they will consider your profile. Go through this
Okay.
description.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Yeah.
And I am posting here daily requirement. Go to go to LinkedIn also. The best is even I collecting the requirement from LinkedIn and Naukri. Okay, and connected with direct HR also. Go to jobs. You can see now. I'll show you the daily post also. See the requirement. Okay, and go to the description also. Okay, you can see the same here. I posted from here only. You can see. Understood, right? I think they have posted recently. Minimum 4 year of experience in Java Selenium. If you are good in the subject or your profile is proper maintained, definitely you will get the opportunity. Okay. Placement ratio depend upon my batch. Some of the batch are very serious. Many people got placed and some of the batch are not serious. I can't do anything, right? You can see now. Understood, right? Who asked this question?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Got it.
what is your current profile?
Manual taker. Manual
Huh,
plus automation, but I'm not doing that much automation.
huh.
I'm doing
Total year
maybe
of total year of experience.
3 years.
3 years. Definitely you will get the job. Okay.
I'm working on VB scripting.
That is fine. But you can see the requirement you can see now.
Ha,
Understood,
ha,
right?
ha.
See, I'm just showing you today requirement. Even they are not posting in the weekend. Okay,
Okay.
sometime HRs. So requirement is there. You can see the Cap Gemini. Requirement is there, and you can take some paid thing also. What is the benefits to taking the paid LinkedIn? Now you can directly reach out to HR. Okay, you can see here experience 3 to 10
Okay.
year, right?
Yes, got it.
So 1 and 2 year it doesn't matter. Your knowledge, okay, they will consider your profile. Understood, right? So
Yes.
the thing is, the first thing, learn the subject properly. Mention the your roles and responsibility, what the company is looking for. If you will read this right, uh, mostly, I think they did not highlight. They did highlight something, but uh, mostly company requirement is there for Java Selenium is common requirement. Okay, you can see. Did you understand? Did you check that? They have 8 year, but automation experience is 2 to 3 years.
Yeah, got it.
Understood, right? So opportunity
Yes.
is
Yes.
there. Don't worry about of opportunity. Okay, it's there. Okay, and apart from that, I directly refer if I'm getting any notification in my company and someone is working in the different company.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. So guys, I'll just clear about a fee.
Offline batch is there?
No, bro, offline batch is not there.
Yeah.
Mohitji, I have a doubt. Can I ask you?
Yeah, yeah, you can ask.
I have a career gap of more than 13 years.
Okay.
If I'm going to like if I'm going to complete this class, whether I can get an opportunity because I have a career gap. Whenever I'm going to attend an interview,
Hmm.
they're simply asking there is a big gap, so we will not consider you. And also they are asking the experience letter. Even if I'm going to show the fake experience letter in BGB, I got failed. Recently, what happened is like I put a 3.5 years of experience in
Hmm.
automation testing. I
Hmm.
got selected and
Hmm.
I got a package of 12 lakhs.
Okay.
After 3 months, I got terminated. The reason is the BGV got failed.
Hmm.
This happened like after one point of time, I got disappointed. So I'm not sure whether I can survive in IT or not. So I'm asking you
Wait,
frankly
wait, wait, wait,
whether I
wait.
should study or whether I can find some other job because I studied almost more than 1 year Selenium, Java, and SQL and ETL testing and everything, only testing only.
Okay, okay.
So now I
Okay,
fed up
Mohan. Wait, wait.
completely.
I understand. Okay.
Yes,
Whatever the problem you are facing, right?
yeah,
For the fake experience candidate, I have one my channel. Okay. I
okay,
make the video on the only fake experience. Okay, let me show
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
Like your case, many cases are coming on the top mat. If
Okay.
you will failed one time, did you give up yourself? No, right?
Sorry.
If you will failed one type, will you give up
Okay.
yourself? If I lost my job,
No, no, no,
can I?
not give up. I'm trying, keep on trying
Mm,
ETL testing, SQL testing, like database testing and
okay.
Selenium automation testing, manual testing.
Mhm.
I just
I,
keep on trying last 3, 4 years.
okay, I think something is we have a gap. You are learning multiple things.
Because of the gap only they are not considering. I am also not sure like to whom I want to meet to get the proper certificates, and also whenever I am going to meet any institute, they are asking 2 to 3 lakhs for getting certificates, so I am not that much
Dekho,
uh,
certificate about certificate, I will guide you offline. Okay,
okay.
we cannot discuss. This is the public place, and this
Yeah,
video
yeah,
will,
sure, sure.
yeah, this video will be shared to everyone.
Okay,
If
okay,
you
got it.
want to learn about a fake experience, you can see I all the video I uploaded for PF, fake employed, background verification.
Okay,
What the problem you are facing, every solution is there in this channel. Okay,
okay,
but
okay.
second, the thing is, did you are you able to work in the company when you have joined? This is the
Yes,
question. Oh, are you deliver the task on the time?
yes, yes, I was able to complete the task.
Okay, that is fine. Then problem with your consultancy that we'll discuss offline. Okay. Here we
Okay,
can't discuss. You can restart your career. Okay. Many
okay,
people, many things happen. Many people joined one, two times, three times also where background verification failed also. But
okay,
he, some companies, they have trying, keep trying, and
mhm,
someone get settled in somewhere. Okay. So
okay.
regarding your fake experience issue, we'll discuss offline. Okay.
Okay, and also I want to ask another question. Like I got selected for automation testing job, but they asked me to put in manual testing because that company has openings in manual testing. So I was completely that time I prepared for automation testing, but they put it in manual testing. Anyhow, I managed and I was started working very well only. And also my
Mm,
personal doubt is like while I was doing automation testing, that is
mm,
another question. Like
mm,
I especially during the framework, like
mm,
Cucumber framework.
mm.
While I was doing a framework, but I am not sure like how to integrate with the methods, like how to use encapsulation method along with the Cucumber like framework. How I am not sure like how to integrate the modules with this
That is
Java.
what you are going to learn now in my
Yeah,
session. I
sometimes that is a problem for me, but
Yeah, so that is
if
what
you
you can
ask
see.
me,
You can see in the Selenium, right? In
yeah,
Selenium topic, I already doing lot of practice for how to write the method. That is the your core job.
okay.
See?
If you are asked me to write down a program in Java alone, I will be able to do the
Hmm.
program. But if
Hmm.
you are asked me to combine with Java with Selenium, that time I got stuck
Yeah,
because I don't know
that
how
is
to.
yeah, that is what Mohan, you can see where
Okay,
you are stuck. I know because
yeah,
in my team many
okay,
people are coming who is from the fake. If I
okay,
can say if I if I just give the some hints and he is able to do it, we
okay,
are considering. I know that. Okay,
yeah,
but they are completely blank, right?
yes,
I cannot leave my job and I can help them. That is not
okay,
possible. But I'll
okay,
give you the hints. Hey, just do
okay,
like this,
okay,
and these guys are able to do it.
sure,
That is that they will consider your profile. But if you
okay,
are completely blank, nobody will
okay,
help you guys. Okay.
okay,
So that is what. Okay. So what is your problem? I know the problem where the people going to stuck. That's why
okay,
I'm adding this all the things. Okay.
okay,
How to reuse them. You can see I implemented reusable method. How to integrate with our framework.
okay,
Understood, right? So
yeah,
that's why I spent more than 15 days extra because of someone cannot face same issue when you will get the project.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you. That's it.
Okay. Anyone others having the doubt, guys? So I'll just this
Excuse me.
yeah, go ahead.
I have worked 3 years in Byju's as a coding teacher and a director.
Okay.
And then I currently working in Kabam Robotics. It's a Singapore company
Hmm.
as a technical support. Okay.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
now I would like to switch from this field to testing.
Hmm.
And
Yeah.
I have coding experience and technical support experience. But
Okay.
I have a doubt that like this transition makes a good decision to the technical, either this one testing field.
Yes, Soumya. So what your profile is there, right? I cannot change your PF account, correct? This is the problem. Your PF is already generated, right?
No, 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 no. There is no PF and all. In the first company also, and then now currently in Kabam also, there is no PF.
You don't have a PF account. So
No.
you have a two option. Either you can go for the same experience or you can go for the fake experience. Fresher, you
Even
cannot.
I can go with a fake experience because if there is any background
Huh,
verification.
that is fine. That is fine. That's why I told you. You have a two option. But
Uh-huh.
if you have a PF, right, I cannot say you can again go for fake because your
Okay.
PF will exist. But if you don't have a PF, you can nicely you can put your fake experience. Okay.
Fake experience with the same company can I put because I
That
have 3 years of.
that that will discuss. I will review your profile one to one. Then we will decide
Okay.
what to do because you can see this channel, right? This channel I made
Mhm.
for the career guidance only. So that will
Okay.
also you will get. First, guys, prepare for your interview with your real
Uh-huh.
time practice. For profile,
Okay.
how to create it one by one, I will review and what is the best option is there. We will consider those best option. Okay, so you will not struggle much after
Okay.
getting the job and interview, but you can do it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so profile consideration, how to prepare your resume and all, I will discuss with everyone one to one, and what is the best thing we will select and we can update the profile and you can start your interview. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, anyone having any doubt, guys, related to syllabus, fees, and one thing I forget to mention, sorry, your regular class timing is, I forget, yeah, this is the important, 8 p.m. IST to 9 p.m. IST. Okay, guys, 1 and 2 week, the session will be only 30 to 45 days. After that, we will increase the time. Many of them are beginner and new people are keep joining, so it's a very difficult to teach the previous topic. Okay, so this is your regular timing. This syllabus fees is 5,000, only one installment, and this is your timings. Okay, if you will miss the session, mostly working professional, you will get the class notes and recording. I'll show you my class notes also. Okay, so the previous batch, so this is the previous batch, so you will get daily notes. This is your daily class notes, and I have created these notes. You can access from the portal also, but this is helpful for you. So what I will teach you, you will get all the notes, and these notes will help you to practice and revision. So every day you will get soft copy notes and recording video because many of them are working professional. They miss the session, so you can have this. Okay. Okay, so apart from that, guys, anyone having any doubt, let me know. I will start some topics.
Also, you mentioned that you are selling hard copy. So, if is there any offer, please let me know here.
No need to buy hard copy, Mohan. Okay, if you are
Okay,
joining this class, okay, my
okay, okay,
same
okay.
notes are there, so no need to buy it. The people
Yeah,
who is from they don't want to join the session and they are looking for only do revision, they can do it, but no need to buy it. Okay,
okay, okay.
okay. Anyone others having any doubt, guys? Yeah, Soumya.
Yeah. This is only with Java or Python is best for Selenium.
No, this is for Java session.
Okay.
Okay. I told you right regarding the programming language guide, many people having the doubt. Okay, so I'll just tell you I'm expert in Java, so I take the classes for Java, okay, and work with the different tech also. And if you will go in the job description, right, out of
Uh-huh.
10, 7 description you can find for the Java, 3 description is there for Python. Python is a dynamic language, okay, it's considering all the different profile as well. Understood, right? But
Yeah, yeah.
understood, right? But if you know the Java, guys, this is my experience. If you know the Java, because Java is very tough to learn, that's why company is mentioning, okay, this guy will take the interview on the Java. Okay, the company know this guy know the Java, he can easily learn Python and JavaScript. Three.
Yeah, because I know Python or basic of Pythons and
Mm-hmm,
uh,
mm-hmm.
JavaScript, but
Okay,
I didn't know about Java.
okay. No issue. That will also helpful for you. Many concept are repeated, but this session is for Java. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone having any other doubts? Okay. Okay, guys. So I'll just land on some basics topic. Okay. Why automation testing? Why company is paying you good amount of salary? Okay. Why automation testing?
To avoid manual interruption
Okay.
and to get accuracy.
Okay.
Time saving.
Time saving. Okay. As a testing project, right? Where automation testing will play a important role. Hmm. I understand why this, but where we can take the benefits for the automation, that is benefits for you if you are the automation test engineer, or that is the benefits for the client also.
To
Because
reduce the repetitive tasks.
repeat, okay, when we will do that repeated task, manual tester, I need your answer from your side.
Sir, I'm from insurance domain, so we have to repeat it, creating the policies. So that automation will help in the creating the policies for regression purpose also.
Hmm. Understood, right? So regression is the headache, guys. Okay, regression testing is much headache. If you don't have automation, okay, it's a very difficult. So guys, the people who is not from software testing background, I use some bots, regression testing and all. So I have another YouTube channel. This is the content related to uh, software testing only, and this is very old channel as compared to Hindi channel. Okay, so what you guys can do, it won't be take much time for you. Okay, I have uploaded, I'm not able to see that playlist, manual testing tutorial. One second, I think.
Sir, I have another question. Is it compulsory to learn manual testing to switch to automation, or we directly do the automation?
No, directly we will do the automation. Okay, learn it after few session, right? I will teach you the Java only, but before that you have to understand na, you have
Okay.
to.
So, like companies don't expect like manual testing must. Uh,
No, no,
the
no,
manual
no,
testing is
no.
must.
Yeah, manual testing you have to also learn. But the thing is, I have a limited batch. Okay, I'm not taking the manual testing classes. Okay, if you want, I will post you if you want to learn. But my video, what I have uploaded, right, that is enough for you. Okay. Do
So
one second, guys. I'm not
okay,
able
do
to.
we get good opportunities if we learn only automation testing without manual testing?
No, manual testing is the base. Try to understand.
Okay.
Understood, right? Manual testing is the software testing concept. I will share, guys. I will share this. I'm not able to find this playlist. I will share with you. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Understood, right? But manual testing is a theory type of the things. Okay, you are not going to do coding and all. Understood, right? So
Yeah.
why testing, types of the testing, the process of the testing, That should you know. Okay, understood,
Okay.
right? But there is no dependency to learn the automation and manual. Okay,
Okay.
so guys, uh, I'll just, I cannot go very depth. So you can see we have a automation. Automation is applied for, now you guys can see I am taking the classes online, right? With Google Meet. Google Meet is also automated. Automation means in the backend we have a programming. So without manual interaction, you know, the things will work automatically. Okay, I'm not, suppose what I can say, yeah, Amazon, right? Many people are using the Amazon application, right? So they are not going to shop and buy the product. They are simply sitting, right? Because the process are automated. Understood, right? Automation means, the benefits of the automation means we can save the time, we can save the money, we can save manual effort, and our productivity, we have a next level. Understood, right? So that's why automation not only applied for automation testing, automation is everywhere. Understood, right? So but what happened when software is developed? Okay, suppose I'll just, few of them are very beginner in testing, guys, so I'll just going through once high level. So suppose we have a Amazon application. Okay, so directly developer will not work here. Directly developer will not change this code because this code I am using. Understood, right? So guys, suppose we have a three system, you have a three laptop. In real time we have a virtual machine or infrastructure. That software is installed in the different environment. Okay, so developers are using their own environment, testers are using their own environment, and customers, means we are the customer, deploy in the different machine. So you have a three laptop. One laptop developer will work, one laptop tester is working, and one laptop customer is using. But in the three laptops, right, all the three laptops having the different code. Understood, right? Because I cannot say different code, almost same code is there, but directly I cannot modify the customer code. Customer is not doing the coding, customer is paid, they have paying the service. Our software is working 24 hours without downtime. Suppose if you want to buy any product in Amazon, suppose, and this site is not working, again, okay, I'll try after some time, but still it is not working, or it is keep loading, you will not use again Amazon. Why the people are using Amazon? Because the interface is looks good, fast, reliable, user friendly, that's why they are using this. I don't like Flipkart, so you even sometime you don't like Amazon, that is the different thing, that user friendly or not. But if something or some might be some festival offers are coming, developer cannot change the customer code. Developer change the customers, sorry, developer system code, that will not directly impact to the customer code. That's why in the middle we have a tester. Okay, developer has done the changes, I will test it. While doing any mistake, have you done whatever the whatever the backend or code changes you have done, is it working as per expected or not? Then that code will be deployed in a customer place, means in the customer application will keep running 24 hours. That is what the testers are required. Okay, developer will not test everything, they will do the unit test. What he will test? He will test what the changes, code changes has done, it is working or not, that's it. But I will go and I will test, oh, whatever the changes he has done is working or fine or not. And then we can also do a regression testing. I will go and touch every code, web full application is working or not, is any impact if after going to change or not. Understood, right? So whatever the new changes and whatever the old changes, means whatever the old code is there or new code is there, we will thoroughly test it. This is not possible manually. Okay, if manually, suppose we have a 500 test cases in Amazon application and you have a 2 days, your client is asking, we have a release within 2 days, need to complete it. Either they have hired 10 tester, either they can hire 2 testers. 10 tester, you can see the cost of the company, but I can hire one good testers, means having the knowledge on automation also and manual also. It depend upon, guys. If you are good in the both, I think your position is already blocked, nobody will replace you. Depend upon the project to project, but you have a knowledge on manual and automation. Okay, manual testing, I will share the tutorial. Okay, and you can also follow for manual testing Guru 99. Okay, it's a not big deal, you can just learn types of the testing. Okay, how to write the test cases, I will share my tutorial, that is very easy for you. Okay, you can see software testing. Okay, so if you will spend half an hour also, only we have a theory, we don't have a must thing. Okay, types of the testing, how the agile works. So this is the one thing I want to discuss, just high level, and why the automation testing is required. Okay, and one more thing, guys, when automation testing is required, suppose you are a, I can say, suppose uh, you know what is the agile, what is your contribution of agile as a automation test engineer? Manual tester, can you explain the agile methodology? hmm? Sultan, can you explain what is agile?
So it's a methodology where we are providing the products in small releases and then we
In your,
develop it
okay,
linearly.
no, in your project, right? Are you following agile or not?
Yes,
So what is your sprint duration?
it's of 2 weeks,
2 weeks. Okay, so
two
guys,
weeks or monthly, based on
okay,
yeah. Sometimes
two
it's
weeks
two
or
weeks and
3 weeks,
sometimes it's switched to monthly based
depend
on the
upon
release.
the, okay. So what is the, how the your
Yes, two
sprint
to four
start?
weeks.
Huh, how your sprint start?
It starts with the development. We have some partial requirements
Mm-hmm.
available, and then we just test it
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
raise the defects. The bugs are there. If
Mm.
those are fixed, then we just retest it. Otherwise, they are moved to the backlog.
Okay. So
And
guys,
then
yeah.
we get the another requirement, whether it's as an enhancement to the previous requirement or integration with the previous requirement. Something like
Okay. Okay. So guys, I'll just explain little bit agile process. That is very important. Okay. So here you have most probability if we will not explain properly, then the people who is taking the interview, they will understand you did not work in the real time. Agile is a methodology. I can say this is the one of the process. We deliver our task, means quality of the task to the customer on the time. Okay. What I am doing today and what I will do tomorrow, all the status will directly give to our client. That is the one benefits. What the activity you are doing, we have a continuously we have a review with the client. If clients have give the feedback in the middle of the agile, we can change the requirement also, and this will happen continuously. So we have a 2 week sprint and we have a 3 week sprint. How the Sultan has already explained, it depend upon sometime we have some production issue or sometime yeah, due to some analysis work and all in the middle, then they can increase, but it's a rare case. Complex application mostly will get 3 week sprint. 3 week sprint means time duration of today is starting and this date is going to complete. That is your 3-week sprint. Okay. So what the ceremony we have in the agile? So basically we have a backlog. Backlog is nothing but the task is already there in the bucket. Okay. As per the priority of the client. Okay. What the client is looking for, or who is the stakeholder to come this task in this sprint. So they will decide. Okay. So basically we have a stakeholder and a scrum master. They are working on the backlog. The scrum master having the responsibility how to talk with all the teams, how to the ceremony I will explaining you. So we have a sprint planning. A sprint planning means they have a list of the backlog, means task, and they will discuss. These are the user story. User story means task is coming in this sprint. Okay. So what happens? Suppose I am working on a sprint 120. Suppose one. This is the sprint one. Suppose completely new project and all. So, or I can say 5. So we can plan the 6 sprint or 7 sprint before that, because resources should not sit idle. Understood, right? So sprint planning will go in advance. Otherwise, we don't know what to do next day. Understood, right? So sprint planning is important. So they will show you this sprint planning. In a sprint planning, we have a user story. So I'll just take you one example. Okay. Why I am discuss this all the things. These are the important thing. Suppose we have a one user story and we have a issue with the what is the user story? User story we have a issue have a with add cart is not working. Okay. Add cart is not working, or what happened, unable to add the product. So you will get the different types of the user story, and you can see this is the bugs. These are the bugs. But again we have a user story. Okay, add cart, uh, they want to change the icon of the iCard, so that is the new features, but this is the bugs, but the process are same. Okay. So suppose if we will go in the Amazon, and if we will go in the Amazon, and the issue is this application, this is not working add cart. I am unable to add the product in the add cart. Okay, this is the issue. This is called user story. Okay, so we have a many user story. Okay, so another user story for development, another user story. Suppose we have a user story, and so they have in the sprint planning, they will discuss these are the user story will coming in the next sprint. So now who will fix this code? The developer will fix this code. Okay, so now they will ask the developer user means a story point. So developer said, okay, I will define one user story point. Okay, it will take 8 hours. One user story point means 8 hours. This is the developer user story point, not for tester. Understood, right? And what the developer will do, developer will create a subtask. Guys, it depend upon the story to a story and project to project, but almost company will follow the same process. Okay, so what the developer will do, he will define here subtask. When you will join the company, right, if you know don't know this all the thing, then it's a problem. It means you did not work in the real time. So they are defining the subtask. Actually we use the Jira management tools, and it is a tools, it won't be take much time to learn, guys. Okay, many tutorial you will get it, but not required as of now. So it will create a requirement. I'm just writing a high level requirement understanding. Okay, so it will spend the time on this, what is the issue, then it will do the code change. After understanding this, he is doing the code change. Okay, code change, he will do the code change. Okay, code change. Then after that, I'm talking about a development task, not a tester. Okay, and now you can see then it will do the unit testing. Unit testing means he will test the code it is working fine or not. It will not check all the functionality. Understood, right? It won't be check all the functionality. Okay, so you will check we have a code change and it will do the unit testing. Okay, unit testing means the code he has developed, he will check that logic is working or not. Someone has requested, I'm not sure they left or what. Understood, right? It's not checking the full functionality and they don't have a time also. Meanwhile, you are also not sitting idle. Okay, so meanwhile you are also preparing the, now we have a tester. Let me define here in the same user story. So here I said, okay, I will do also, I will give the one, I will take one user story also. Okay, with 8 hours I will take. Okay, and meanwhile you are not sitting idle, you are preparing the test cases. So guys, that's why I told you little bit basics knowledge is required for manual testing. You are also understanding the requirement, what was the issue, and you are preparing the test case. Okay, still test case, you are collecting the data. Okay, it's a very easy requirement I'm saying you, but in the real time collecting the test data, okay, writing the test cases and collecting the data. Once this code will be deployed in the QA system, then you can start your test execution. Okay, this is your test execution. Okay, test execution. In meanwhile the code will be deployed in the QA, or you found some defect, right? You can just again assign to the developer. Again developer will look into that, again they will assign to you back. Understood, right? They will again assign you to back. This process will continue until this is working as expected. Still automation testing will not come here. Okay, so guys, the proper process, every project having the different phase. Sometime they will hire you, suppose you are doing the manual testing and almost manual testing will complete and you don't have a much work, so might be they will ask you to start your automation work. Or if you have a many test cases, many testers are also required. This frequently defects are coming, manual tester is required. It's a very rare case they will hire you if you don't have automation knowledge, because already many resources are there with they have already a skill with manual and automation, then why they will hire you. Understood, right? Suppose here you can see these are the manual testing, but what is the automation testing job? Okay, so parallelly it depend upon the your project client and all. Suppose you have a, you join the company, they have hired 500 test cases are there. Okay, manual test cases are there. Okay, and when you will join guys as a 3 to 5 year of experience, depend upon the MNC will not directly give you the framework development task, mostly you will get the a script development task. Okay, so you can also define the same thing. Suppose you have to automate these test cases. Okay, so understanding the requirement. Oh, I forget to mention here, you can also add understanding the requirement, and every task you have to define how much hours you took. I'm just saying you actual agile process mostly companies are not following, but 90% companies are following the same. Okay, so now they have hired you as a automation test engineer. Nothing is there. They said we have to start the automation. The first thing you have to decide tools and technology what you are going to use it. The recommendation is, client recommendation is Java, Selenium. You can use Cucumber framework, you can use API is there, you can use Rest Assured. Okay, this is your client recommendation. So when you will join this automation project, understood, right? The first of all, you have to do POC. POC means proof of concept. Okay. So directly we are not writing the code, simple code over there. First of all, any automation project, we have a, you know, framework. Okay. We have a framework. Okay, guys. So this is your framework design. I have a one framework also. I'll just opening my Eclipse. I will just give you the overview. Even the beginner, if you're not able to understand, don't worry. Just see how the things are working. Okay. So now let me open this. Okay. So now the first job of automation test engineer framework design, but this framework design is doing the senior automation test engineer or architect level guy. Okay. Either framework is already exist or you have to design the framework, and we can get the approval from the client. If they are okay, then we can start a script development. Okay. Mostly you will get your task as a script development. Okay. You can see the manual. This is the manually validating. This is your script development. Then now we have a script execution. In the middle, guys, we have to do many things. Okay. You have to, I'm just saying you high level. Okay. Understood, right? Suppose one day all the 500 test cases you have automated, and this is your regression. It will become the regression suite. You can think, suppose I'll go to the Amazon application. um, just go to Amazon application. Oh, this is okay, fine. I will tell you, hey guys, can you validate, go to, go for search for the new product. Okay, you can see I'm typing everything mobile, and you have to add this mobile in the cart, and then again go to the cart, and you have to place. You have to repeat same test cases 100 times. How much time it will take? Right, it will take more time, right? This manual test cases we have automated, and when you will have a regression shoot, okay, we can schedule this or we can manually execute in our system within 3 to 4 hours. I think it won't be take, also depend upon the complexity of the test cases. You can see manually how much time it will take to execute. It will take, might be 1 week if the people having the 4 to 5 resources, or it will extend also, but we don't have a time. Okay, but in the automation 3 to 4 hours is enough. I will execute, I will check the report. Okay, I'll show you one framework. I will check the report what the failures are there. If any failures, we can fix it, we can rerun. Within 1 day we can complete our regression test with 2 resources. Understood, right? So that's why automation testing is required. From doing this all the activities, guys, this all the activities, first of all you have to learn core Java, then Selenium, Cucumber, Rest Assured. I will tell you. Okay, and this is also mandatory, but we have a separate batch for Rest Assured. But if you have a basics knowledge, you can start your interview. We cannot wait for this. So let me show you. If you are a beginner, don't worry, this is the one of the framework we have. Okay, and in this framework I have automated few test cases. So this is the test cases we have automated. Okay, and I want to execute these test cases, so I'll just run here. I'm even running them manually, but from CI/CD it will automatically it will execute the test cases, and it will generate the report, and we can share those report to our stakeholder, and they have some percentage and all. Okay, so you can see now I'm not doing anything. I just run the automatic test cases are running. Okay, You're saying that because this is the live application, manually it is hitting. So 3 and 4 test cases we have now, okay, for the signing. And okay, so again another test case are executing. And okay, so just we have a multiple scenario for the login application. So now another test cases are, you can see I'm not, I just see I run the this script, I can do another task also. If any manual task are there, I can do it. Understood, right? But it's running in the backend. There is no involvement here. Okay, so if I will refresh this, it will create one report also. I'll show you that report. It will be in the output folder, and this is the report. Okay, so you can see now all the test cases are passed, and now it's showing this dashboard, and this dashboard will send to our a stakeholder or the ticket which is assigned for you. But if you will do manually, how much time it will take? That's why companies looking for automation test engineer, they can save their time also, and they can save the money also, and you are also happy, because manually 500 test cases, it's a very difficult to do it. Understood, right? Okay guys, so till now do we have a,
Can we integrate this to
sorry?
sir, can we integrate this into bugging apps like Jira and all?
The Jira is the different, okay.
Try,
Jira is the different thing. We can
like
integrate,
if we raise it,
you can raise the tickets manually, or you can raise the ticket using the automation also, but it's a difficult. Okay, so when you will find the defect, better we can raise the defect manually. Why I'm saying, because you have to add many description over there. If you will do some mistake, then developer is your enemy, right?
okay, we cannot integrate that Jira into this.
No, no, we can integrate using the API, but it's little bit difficult.
Okay.
Yeah, so you have to call API, but little bit difficult, but we can do it. Okay, so guys, anyone having the any other question?
And I have a doubt, like why we use the CI and CD.
CI/CD means, you know, we have a some build, right? Suppose developer had done some code changes, right? So automatically your automation script will execute. Understood, right? That is the main purpose of CI/CD. Okay. Suppose developer has done some changes, code changes. Your regression should automatically will execute using the CI/CD, and it will send the report. If any test cases are failed, just need to investigate. If working fine, that is fine. Understood, right? So those automation
Yeah.
do through the CI/CD. Okay.
Hi, sir. No need to write a code, right?
Huh?
Is it we need to write a code or only we need to test
No, bro.
code?
Everything you have to write the code from a scratch. This is, I have shown you implemented one already written. But how to do it, we will learn in our session. Okay.
So you have written only for login.
Hmm.
These are the code only for the login.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
So
only,
developer will write the code, right?
no, you have to write the code. You have to write the code. Okay.
So based upon the like the user story.
Based on, now you don't know na. This is the framework I am showing you. First of all, I will teach you the basic Selenium. Okay. How to start, how to install, how to handle different types of the action on the web page. Let me show you. This is the framework. Let me show you this one. And this batch.
Wait, once in between you mentioned about CI/CD. So are we going to implement CI/CD
Yeah,
also
yeah, yeah.
during the
Yes,
curriculum?
yes. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We will implement it. Okay. Uh, I'm not able to find the previous batch, guys, because this is the all the project are corrupted. So this is the final framework, guys. So I'm showing you basics framework. Apart from that, we have a Cucumber framework also. I think no, this is the rest assured. This one, okay. So first we will start to write the basics code of Selenium. Okay, these are the basics code how to write using the main method and all. Then that is the last topic for your framework development. Okay. Okay, guys. So regular batch will be starting your 27th October from Monday. Okay, and this is your timing, and this is your after discount. This is your fees, but this fees we have a uh, basics API testing. Okay, if you want to learn REST assured in the future in the depth, we have a separate batch. Okay. Okay, guys. So anyone having any doubt, or we can close the session. If you are interested to enroll the course, I will post the details on the group. Okay, you can post it, and this offer is only applicable for 20 candidate because my fees is 10,000. Okay, let me know if you have any doubt. I will close the session. If you want to learn, if you want to watch more videos on Java and all, you can just refer my channel also. Okay, let me post you the link. uh, Actually something went wrong with, I'm not able to find this playlist. So mm, I will post it. I will post this link also. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. You can just go and watch some more videos. Okay, let me know, guys, if you have a. I will give you 5 more minutes. If you have any doubt, any concern, let me know.
With one doubt, you mentioned about the hard copy book as well. Can you brief it on it? I don't have any idea about it. What is that?
Hard copy notes have a separate price. Okay, so I will not. The people who is joining the session, don't waste, money. If you want, you can, what I'm sending you the notes, you can just print out and you can take it. Okay, so I have a hard copy notes. Let me show
Okay,
you.
okay. But in general, if anybody wants that, what will be the price of this dot
I will,
these
you
notes?
can reach out to personally. Okay, so I will tell you, because hard copy notes I
Okay,
have
sure.
for,
I will.
yeah, hard copy notes. What happened, I have to invest money, guys. So I will tell you the price if somewhere I
Yeah,
can
sure.
have. Okay, I'll you can just reach out to personally. Okay,
Okay, okay.
same
Yeah.
content you will get for the hard copy notes also. So as your wish, if you want to buy, you can
Okay,
buy it, no issue. Okay, I deliver all location.
okay.
I sold out 1000
So,
hard copy notes, guys. So people are liking that notes as well. Okay, but yeah, the expenses
okay.
we have. Okay, so because I have to print out and all, labor charges, courier charges, so many things will come. Okay, okay, guys, the regular session will be starting on
Yeah, definitely.
27th. Okay,
And
yeah,
So during regular
okay,
sessions, like, do we get hands-on experience
you will get the hands-on experience only.
and placement support?
Yes, that is what I mentioned, right? That is what I
Okay.
mentioned. Okay, so this is the basic Selenium, guys. This is the last batch. You can see how much code we have done practice. And even I'm showing you for the only Selenium. This is the last
Okay.
batch. This is the Selenium only. Java have a different session. This is the Selenium code. You can see how much practice we have done. You guys can tell me this much practice if you are doing,
Okay.
why you are not able to write the code. I am showing you this is for Selenium only. First we will start Java. Okay,
Uh,
just to write. Then only you can understand Selenium. Okay.
okay. Sure.
Okay, so let me, guys, if you are interested to enroll the course, okay, I'll post the details from Monday. regular batch will start. Any your personal doubt is there, you can reach out to me. Okay, see you guys. Bye all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.